Welcome back, Math Masters. This 5 question quiz is the ultimate test for your mental sharpness. And I have saved total 5 questions, and out of that, question number 4 and question number 5 is the toughest one. If you solve all the 5 problems, then you are real master. And also comment your score out of 5 and your city to get shout out in the next video. So, coming to the first question, we have 100 minus 4 square divided by 4 parenthesis 5 minus 3. Try to solve in a time limit of 10 seconds. Your time start now. Time's up. Now we are solving in a stepwise method. Here we can see there are parentheses and also exponent part. So we will solve with the help of PEMDAS here. Okay. Now first preference will be given to this parenthesis part, which is 5 minus 3, which will give result 2 here. So we will rewrite our question 100 minus 4 square divided by 4 times 2. This will give result 2. And now here another parenthesis done. Now next for exponent part. So here exponent part is 4 square, and 4 square is nothing but 4 times 4, which equals to 16 here. And here we will simply write 16 on the place of this 4 square. So we will write 100 minus 16 divided by 4 times 2. Now there are 3 operations which are subtraction, division and multiplication, and multiplication, division have the same priority. So we will do left to right here, and last preference will be subtraction here. So we will operate this part 16 divided by 4, which give result 4 here. So we will write 100 minus 4 times 2, and also there are two operations, multiplication and subtraction. We will write 100 minus 4 times 2, that is equal to 8, and 100 minus 8 will result 92. So here right answer is 92. Coming to the next question, we have 4 square, that is minus 4 square plus parenthesis minus 3 square minus 12 divided by minus 2. You have 10 seconds to solve this. Your time start now. Time's up. Now we will solve again with the same PEMDAS. Here we can see there, this is also parenthesis part, but this is actually exponent. So we'll simply solve. First we will solve this 4 square part, that is 4 square, which equals to 4 times 4, which equals to 16 here. Now this minus 3 square, that is minus 3 square, which equals to minus 3 times minus 3, which will give result 9, and minus times minus will give result plus, because minus times plus will give result minus, like this. So here 9, and many are solving like minus 4 square. This is a negative sign. This is an operation. This is not the value of, we have to put the value of 4 square, not minus 4 square. If this minus 4 is written in this format, then we will simply minus 4 times minus, then we will do this type of operation. Okay, so we will write here all values. So we will write minus 16 plus 9 minus 12 divided by minus 2 here, like this. This is a simplified version. Now we will do here actually 3 or 4 operation you are seeing that, and we have the highest priority this division. So we will simply divide this. We will write minus 16 plus 9 minus this division. This will what? 12 divided by minus 2, which give result minus 6 here. So we will simply write minus 6 here, or we can say 16 plus 9 minus times minus, which give result plus So we will write plus 6 here. Now we will add addition first. 9 plus 6, which gives result 15 here. So 16 plus 15, and minus 16 plus 15 will give result -1 here. So your right answer is -1. Coming to the next question, we have question number 3. 4 factorial divided by root over 16 times 3 minus 5. You have 10 seconds to go. Time's up. Now we will solve here with help of order of operations. Here we can see this factorial value. 4 factorial is nothing but what? 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That is 4 times 3, 12 times 2 times 1, and 12 times 2, that is equal to 24 times 1, which equals to 24. So we can simply write this factorial value, and here root over 16 is nothing but 4. Okay, so we will simply write root over 16, that value will be 4. Now we can simply write this 24 value here, that is 24 divided by root over 4. 16 will be written as 4 here times 3 minus 5 here. Now here two operations are there, that is division, three operations actually, division, multiplication and subtraction. So we will do, as we know, multiplication, division are the same priority, and we have to solve left to right here. So we'll first divide this part, that is 24 divided by 4 will give result 6 here. So we will write 6 times 3 minus 5. Now according to the PEMDAS, this multiplication has the higher priority than subtraction. So we will multiply this, not like 3 minus 5, that is equal to -2, and 6 times -2 will be -12. So this is not the right way. Now 6 times 13, we should give result 18 here, minus 5, and 18 minus 5 will give a result of 13. So right answer is here 13. And comment how's your score and which city you are from. Okay, and coming to the next question number 4, we have 100 minus parenthesis, that is 4 times parenthesis 2 cube minus 6 parenthesis and bracket square divided by 8. This is the whole question. Try to solve by your own and comment your answers. Your time start now. Time's up. Now we are solving with the help of PEMDAS, or you can say order of operation. There are multiple ways. So we will solve step by step. 100 minus bracket 4 times, that is 2 cube. 2 cube is nothing but what? 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2, that is 4, and 4 times 2, that is 8. We can simply write 8 here, minus 6 square divided by 8. Why we are solving the parenthesis part first? Because we have PEMDAS, first preference will be always parenthesis. So again, we will rewrite 100 minus, that is 4 times 8 minus 6, which equals to 2. So we will write 2 here, bracket divided by 8. Now 100 minus here 4 times 2, that is equal to 8 square divided by 8. Now here 8 square is nothing but what? 8 times 8, which equals to 64. This is the value. So we'll simply write 64. 100 minus 64 divided by 8. Now there are two operations, which subtraction and division. And according to PEMDAS, we have to divide first, then subtract. So we will divide this part. 64 divided by 8 will give result 8. So we will write 100 minus 8, which equals to 92. So here right answer is 92. And coming to the next question, we have the last question we have. Yes, that bracket 200 divided by 5 divided by 0.5 minus 2 to the power 4. Okay, now you have 10 seconds to solve this. Your time start now. The time's up. Now, as you know, we have to solve the PEMDAS part first. We have this bracket inside that two division parts are there, and also if there are similar priority, then we have to solve left to right here. So we will simply solve left to right here for the bracket part. So we will solve this part first. Okay, that is 200 divided by 5, which will be what? 200 divided by 5, which equals to 40 here. So we'll simply write 40 on the place of this division. So we will write here 40 divided by 0.5 minus 2 raised 4, like this. Now 40 divided by 0.5, when we misplace this division decimal value, we will multiply the numerator with 10. Now what that means to, that is called 80. So we'll simply put the value of 80 here, all this bracket value, and minus 2 to the power 4. And here 2 raised 4 equal to nothing but 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, that is equal to 4 times 2 times 2, 4 times 2, that is equal to 8. 8 times 2, that is equal to 16. This value is 16. So we'll simply put the value 16 from here, that is 18 minus 16. This is the value. And when we subtract, we will get answer 64 here. Okay. So right answer is 64. And comment your score here out of 5 and get started with the next video. And also watch these two videos, which will definitely help to sharpen your brain. Thanks for watching.